I told you already. Or you should not enter the bottommost layer called as a subgrade, which I told you already. When the soil subgrade or the soil which is belonging to the subgrade gets soaked in water, and the stability of the different layers above it will be dismantled, or above it will become destabilized, correct or not? They become unstable, correct or not? That's one thing. Then second thing is that then always when there is a penetration of the water into the pavement or into the bituminous pavement, especially bituminous pavement, then there is the bond between the aggregate and the bitumen, the bond between the aggregate and the tar, whatever that will be completely misplaced, correct or not? That's why there will be a stripping over. I know that there will be a stripping of the bitumen from the surface of the aggregate. I think the word I use stripping, STRIPPING, stripping of the bitumen from the aggregate surface. That is also there. Okay, there are, because of so many reasons, because of some one or two reasons, the cross slope is necessary to be provided. Then Indian Road Congress has given the standard value of this particular cross slope. It has categorically divided the roads into two categories. Those roads in a heavy rainfall area, those roads in a less rainfall area. Depending upon these two categories, the IAS, Indian Road Congress, has categorically classified the values of the camber, which I am going to give that. Now, before that, I should tell the steeper camber or steeper cross slope should not be provided. That word I written on the blackboard. Look at the blackboard. Don't look at me. Look at the blackboard. The steeper camber or steeper cross slope cannot be provided. So why you should avoid the steeper camber? Because of this. So if you provide very steep camber, I told you already the shape of the camber, then always there will be a skidding, slipping, overturning of the vehicles on the curved sections, correct or not? If you provide very steeper section, steeper camber as well, there is every chance of skidding of the vehicle, there is every chance of overturning of the vehicle, there is every chance of slipping of the vehicle. One reason. Second thing, then if when the road are the second aspect, when the steeper cross slope is provided, always the psychological object of the driver is to move on the center path, correct or not? He doesn't want to take the risk of moving away or carrying away the vehicle. He tends to move on the central path. That's also there. The psychological tendency of the driver is to move along the central path because of the provision of the steeper gradient or the steeper camber. Third, anybody? And as far as possible, the steeper camber are provided, steeper cambers are provided, or steeper cross slopes are provided on the hilly areas or on the steeper curves, and the flatter gradients or flatter curves or flatter cambers are being provided on the usual road. There's a point. क्या चाहिए?
कति दिएको हो
$200 marks with us. Good thing, huh? Transverse tilt, very good. Transverse tilt.
knowing this. Let's see the board. Sir, English ही नहीं आता था बोर्ड में. Transverse.
Transverse tilt. The slope which is there, is called a transverse tilt. I'll show you this. This is a tilt. Tilt, you know. This is a tilt.
Kalau mungkin ngomongin dia pelan. Jadi. कैमरा ऊपर है
TT. TT.
ट्रांसफर टिल्ट
Transfer tilt.
ओके ओके जीनियस
Vehicle. What is the transfer tilt? Anybody? Transverse tilt of the vehicle. Write first that word. Transverse tilt of the vehicle. Transverse tilt of the vehicles. What is the transverse tilt? Anybody? Anyone? Transverse tilt of the vehicle on the road. On the vehicle transfer. Here the slope is there. Thinker. The dais itself is a road. The chamber has been provided. Correct. Vehicle is going here. Because of the cross slope, the vehicle tilt in this fashion. Look at that. I am the vehicle. Thinker. Don't see that again. Don't throw the stone. When the vehicle is going on the tilt on the cross slope, provided on the road surface, on the left side, I am showing the left side, whatever, right side, whatever that, then this will be a tilt. Correct or not? Slant. Tower. If the tower is there now, it is one tower. Tilted tower. What is that? What is that tower? Not tilted tower. What is that? Eiffel Tower. What makes? See, instead of walking straight, please, boys, don't discuss. Instead of going straight, if I walk in this fashion, what makes me? This becomes very much uncomfortable to me. I should walk straight, no? The vehicle should also move straight. Then, if it is going in the tilted manner or slanted manner, then it becomes comfortable to whom? First comfortable to the driver, next incomfortable to the passengers. Chalo. Right. Transverse tilt of the vehicles causes uncomfortable. Fast I say. Transverse tilt of vehicles causes uncomfortable. Spelling will not write. Comfortable, uncomfortable. Don't know. Will you write or not? Third one. What? Yes sir. No sir. Side thrust.
ये भी नहीं होगा
Uncomfortable on the side. SID side. THRUST thrust. Thrust. And the drag.
TSR होना TR
And the drag. DRAG drag. And the drag on the steering wheel of the automobile. And the drag on the steering wheel.
स्टीयरिंग
Wheel of automobile. Steering wheel of automobile. कहाँ पे रहता है ना वो ब्राउन वाला? ड्राइवर कहाँ रहता है वो? उसको steering wheel बोलते हैं. Steering wheel of the automobiles. Automobiles. Next. Two. Discomfort. Comfort, discomfort. DISCOM. Discomfort. Causing. Throw the vehicle. Discomfort. Causing. Throw the vehicle. ये चारों throw the vehicle. When crossing the crown. CROW. Where is the crown in this particular figure? crown कहाँ है? और center portion ऊपर वाला center portion है ना? जो crown है. दिखाओ.
वो लाइन से ऊपर वाला टीटी के नीचे. This portion. Yes sir. What a speed यार. Fast sir.
Right now. Fast. Why? What have you done?
Crossing the ground.
Throw the vehicle when crossing the ground during overtaking operations. During overtaking operations. Problems of passing. Problems of possible toppling over a high ladder block.
Problems of
Problems of possible toppling. Problems of possible toppling. TOPPLING. Toppling.
means
Over. Toppling over OVER of highly laden bullock carts. Highly laden bullock carts. Bullock cart you have not seen, huh?
बैलगाड़ी.
Tendency of the most of the vehicles. Tendency.
Motion. चुप लग रहे. Tendency of motion of the vehicle. Oh my god.
Of most of the vehicles. Tendency of the most of the vehicles to travel along. Tendency of most of the vehicles to travel along the center line. Along the center line. Okay, next. Recommended values of camber. Recommended values of important is this to solve the problem. Recommended values of camber as per IRC.
Indian Road Constitution. Constitution की Constitution. कांग्रेस रे इंडियन रोड कांग्रेस कुछ भी ओ माय गॉड
as per IRC Indian Road Congress right make columns make three columns
जी इसको मतलब ये पढ़ दे तो ना पढ़ी हां
right serial number
कांग्रेस से बना को क्या
type on the road surface don't talk as a type on the road surface to make here the two columns right here the two columns is going to come
थोड़ा हम कर देंगे साले सर खुद को बाद में
right here
थोड़ा बिल दे
edge of camber
ये दिखाओ दो शाम को आ गया लेके चला जाऊँगा किताबी लेके जाऊँगा मैं शॉर्ट से बुक मेरे पास है सीरियल नंबर
heavy rainfall area
हाँ सर
right now first one here serial number 1 type on the road surface right now cement concrete you want to write or will you write or you want to write on the blackboard cement concrete white or what white cement concrete is not visible
विजिबल सर
they are not visible huh?
विजिबल सर
Then you go to high precision. Cement concrete and high type of HIGH high and high type of bituminous surface. High type of bituminous surface.
राइट
Can't you write this again? What is the high type of bituminous surface? Anybody? Anyone? What is high type of bituminous surface? Anyone? Bituminous roads. Bituminous surface, high type. What is that?
hard quality high amount of bitumen used
The bituminous high type surface is having a seal coat. There are two types of the coats which are known as the seal coat and the tack coat. Seal coat and tack coat. And these coats are only available for the national highways and the state highways roads. Seal coat and the tack coat are only made available or the highways and the state highways and the national highways are being made by providing for those bituminous roads with the seal coat and the tack. What is seal? Seal.
Tack.
Which seals the pores of the surface. Seal.
Tack.
Tack coat is the bottom layer below the seal coat, which provides a support to the seal coat. Data. And now you write. Values you write. Heavy rainfall area is number 1. 1 in 50. 1 in 50 is how much? Anybody? 2%.
Sir, what does it mean?
1 in 50 is not 2%. नहीं है कैसा 1 by 50 into 100 percentage wise you can do it
1000 करते हैं.
correct or not so 1 in 50 2% correct na half next low rainfall area 1 in 60 percentage is 1.7%. See here even 1 in 60 1 in 40 where it comes exactly anybody anyone you should know
It depends upon rainfall.
you are 1 in 50 or whatever that it will be shown here I'll show you hey don't talk Bawaz this is what type of camber anybody this is a straight line camber this is a straight line camber I am going to show you 1 in what is that 1 in 50 I'll show 1 in 50 I'll show see your 50 is here then your 1 is here 1 in 50 yes or no
Yes, sir.
50 horizontal into 1 vertical okay next is number 2 thin bituminous surface you know right or not thin surface bituminous surface right the values heavy rainfall area 1 in 40 first one heavy rainfall 1 in 40 or 2.5% 1 in 40 or 2.5% low rainfall in the same line
What?
low rainfall 1 in 50
2%.
1 in 50
2%.
2%
आगे बोलो.
then number 3 WBM what is the word WBM water
Wide.
magnum
हाँ? सर नाम ही सुनिया सैनिक
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ
वाटर बाउंड मैगडेम
shortly called as WBM waterborne magnum and gravel pavement gravel pavement नहीं right the values come horizontal heavy areas heavy rainfall area 1 in 33 WBM and the gravel pavement 1 in 33 how much 3% then low rainfall area 1 in 40
2.5
or 2.5 last type of the road earthen road mud roads you can call it any manner you like there
types of food.
right now first heavy rainfall 1 in 25 4% low rainfall 1 in 33
3%.
1 in 33 3%. You take the problem, you solve the problem which will be asked in the examination. Take the problem.
Este aqui, olha.
Parikappa. ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ
उधर भी लो ना
Clear review. Two types of road pavement are to be constructed. Two types of road to be constructed. Small A. What are those two? Small A. Two-lane state highway. Two-lane. I think I told you already. Single lane, two-lane state highway. Asset with bituminous concrete. Very with the bituminous concrete surface. Bituminous. So don't get the impression the concrete where is coming, the cement concrete is mixed up with the bitumen and no. Always the bituminous roads are also called the bituminous concrete roads. Okay, bituminous concrete surface one. Okay na? B, small b. Major district road, India. Major district road, India. Pavement with a 3.8 meter wide. With a 3.8 meter wide. Another question. What is asking? What should be the height of the crown? Height of the crown, central portion. Height of the crown with respect to the edges. What would be the height of the crown with respect to the edges? What should be the height of the crown with respect to the edges in these two cases? Assuming straight line camber. Assuming the straight line. I show the straight line camber there. Assuming the straight line camber. Let's do. I'll draw the straight line camber first. Okay.
हाम्रो ग्रुपमा कोही त कोही छ भाइ म तल बसौँ ये जुमी यार ठीक है STR
देखने का
One in sir slope Givani.
First case, let's go.
Sir, need to drop
It is
figure.
a straight line cable. This is called as straight line.
Sir, figure भी बनाओ.
नहीं तुम बाराती आए
क्या बात है पेनिनसुला का.
Why 7 I written? Why I written 7? Why I written?
Sir, two lane road sir.
It's not given.
With up the 2-lane road.
It's a 2-lane road.
Yes sir, I told sir, I told.
Straight highway.
Yes sir, I told.
Okay na?
मैले भने sir.
That's no problem.
मैले भने नि.
Chao.
I told sir.
Next, solution.
फोड़ जो कितना को
मलाई थाहा छैन भाइ.
Now, you pick which value from this
कृष्ण गर्दा
chart. That is the value that should be there. Known. Correct? No. Better. First, you write recommendation. You write first. Straight line camber has been suggested. First, you write. You write Baba. Straight line camber has been suggested. Right, all this is I am not getting all there the question. This line itself is what? This line is straight line camber has been suggested. Every line, every point has got a meaning. That point is got a meaning. Straight line camber has been put. Next, first case. Case 1. SH, right now. State highway short form, no place is there, Babas. State highways. State highway width of 2-lane pavement, right? State highway width
Of two lane.
Two lane pavement. I already written there.
7 meters.
Equal to 7.0 meters.
Hmm?
I already shown there. I say.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, what is the slope to be provided? Just check from the things. This check in the heavy rainfall area. Heavy rainfall area. This problem. Read the problem. Heavy rainfall area. Serial number 1. The value number 1. 1 in 50.
2%.
2%.
ಹೌದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಬರೀ ಸಾಕು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಬರೀ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಐ ಸೇ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಯುಮಿನಸ್ ಕಾಂಕ್ರೀಟ್ surface in heavy rainfall area, provide a cross slope of 1 in 50. But from where you have taken this 1 in 50? From the chart. For a bituminous concrete surface in heavy rainfall area, provide a cross slope of 1 in 50. What? Provide a cross slope of 1 in 50. It is already given in the chart. ISC chart. Therefore, rise of the crown with respect to the edges. Therefore, rise. Remember, it is rise. Pinky.
पिंकी के गरेको पिंकीसँग नि राइज अफ क्राउन फेरि गरे अगेन छ
Rise of the crown.
सर हाम्रो कपी फाटियो
To whom I should take the
Pinky.
revenge, not on you.
पिंकी
That should be revenge on the blackboard.
हो सर आई थिंक पिंकी
Get up. Rise of the crown with respect to the edges. With respect to the edges. Note it, very careful. ಇದು edge. ಇದು ಈ edge ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಎರಡು ಈ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ what the meaning of e I say? Edges. Plural. Edges. Edge is a singular. Edges is a plural. Because there are two edges.
yes sir you are right
The rise of the crown with respect to the edges equal to it will be width of the pavement divided by 2 very careful divided by 2 into value of the crown 1 in n 1 in n 1 in n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 in 50 ನೋಡಿ 1 in n or 1 in 50 right hello now substitute the w is how much 7 meter divided by 2 into 1 by 50 here we rest that's the answer
7 by x equal भाइ
7/2
थोड़ी into 1 ले पता चला 7 by x बराबर है छूट
0.07 meter ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಇದು 0.07 how much it is
0.07
no
7 centimeters meter
next case 2 case 2 second abroad for WBM short form I'm not going to do right full form WBM waterborne macadam ಬರಿಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್
no sir
ಬರಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲೇ ಬರಿಲ್ಲ water bond BOND bond
macadam
macadam
1 in 33
why this word has come why WBM wrote Why this road by name? This was the person. He was the first person. Madam. He was the first person to introduce this type of the road with a crossroad. With a crossroad. With the rate of the crossroad or with the values of the crossroad. Whatever that. First, Macduff. Get up.
What?
Now you write provide. You know, don't go to the last column. Look here.
3 number.
WB1 and gravel road in heavy rainfall area. Let's ನೋಡ್ರಿ
1 in 33.
ಬರೀಮ್ಮ. Right?
In 33.
For WBM road in heavy rainfall area. ನೀವು ಬರೀಬೇಕನ್ನಲ್ಲ. You should write. For WBM road in heavy rainfall area as given in the problem. For WBM ಬರಲೇತಾರಲ್ರಿ ಅವರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಕ ಕೂತವರು. For WBM road in heavy rainfall area, comma, provide a cross slope of 1 in 33. Aitilo? Provide a cross slope 1 in 33.
Yes, sir.
Now you write. B. Rise of crown. Really? Same thing you write. Rise of the crown. Rise of the crown with respect to the edges. B. R2. Rise of crown with respect to short term or regular. No place is there.
हाँ सर, वेरी गुड. बराबर सर.
Is equal to note. Is the same formula note.
7/2 into
My
1/5.
voice and also verse note. Note the same formula I am writing. It will be W/2 into 1/n. What is the width of the WBM road given as 3.8 meters? Is it so? Kottilla 3.8 meters width of the road. Kotta nodi. ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು 3.8 divided by 2 into divided by 1 is 33. That's equal to the rise.
0.057.
0.057 meters. You are 0.5 that road or that road. Change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. You change ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. I'm going to change for the second one. You know 3.8 meter. Here is 3.8 meter. For that, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It is 0.057. Understood? The problem is going to come this time. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೇಡವಾ? ಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೋ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Anybody? ಶಾಣೆ ಇದ್ದವರು? Anybody? Who is one I told? Straight line camber. Next is parabolic camber. Third is combination of parabolic and straight camber. ಬರೀರಿ ಬರೀರಪ್ಪ, ನಂಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ. Right now, 1 A parabolic camber. Small b straight line camber. C combination of straight and the parabolic combination. You want to write on the blackboard?
No, sir.
Parabolic chamber. Second one, straight line chamber. This is straight line. Yeah. Straight line chamber. C combination of straight and the parabolic shape. Combination of. ಯಾರು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ? ಮೂರು ಸ್ಕೆಚ್ ಯಾರು ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ? ನೀ ತೆಗಿತೀನಪ್ಪ. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ Anyone?
5 marks, okay, you got it.
For here I am explaining because just now I solved the problem of straight line cable, so it is easy to understand. The W is the width of the road. Width of the road. Width of the, it may be width of the single lane road, or width of the 2 lane road, or width of the intermediate road. Correct? It may be 3.75, it may be 7 meter, or it may be 7.5 meter, or it may be one more is 5.3 meter. Intermediate lane, just check it up how much it is. Intermediate lane, I think I won. Okay, intermediate lane, I think 5 point something.
क्या दे
5 point something. है ना? Got it. Look at here. It is a width. Now, how is 2 minutes? I will take only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes.
break off.
See how this is height is being fixed, because the road is being made there first. Practically experience how the engineers, junior engineers or highway engineers are doing this. How they are providing the camber for a road. They got camber boards. Write it down. They got camber boards. You can ask your this one. You can ask your this one. Who is it? Is your assistant engineer? You ask him. He is in the in charge of the road and all. He is my student at BLD. Okay. Now he is assistant engineer in the PWD department. Okay. Look at camber boards are there. First they are making the road. Correct or not? Then as the crown height is known by calculation, this is being found out. It may be 0 point something or 0.07 or 0. Whatever. No. That is being calculated. Then the camber board is looking like this. Correct or not? So this one is. Then here, with a particular slope, the bitumen is being poured. The bitumen or tar is being poured into the camber board. Correct? At the centermost portion, that value, the height has to be fixed in the center portion here. Then, according to that slope of the camber board, the bitumen is being poured and consolidated. Finally, that road will become 1 in 30 or 1 in 33 camber. This is practically done, not theoretically, practically. Okay, let's go. Now, see, the slope is 1 in n. That's not I told now. 1 in x, 1 in 30, 1 in 50. 1 is your vertical portion, and then x or n will be your horizontal portion. That's all. X, look at here. Your horizontal portion is x and vertical portion is y. Whatever that. Then 1 in n or 1 in 30 or 1 in 33 or whatever that as per the slope. And finally you end up with the height or height of the crown. This is the crown.
पकड़ा रही लान.
Right? Crown. Very. You should know. Crown of the king. Crown कहाँ रहता है? सिर पर रहता है ना? नहीं.
हाँ सर.
पाँव में रहता है नहीं ना?
सिर पे रहता है.
ताज.
खप्पड़ पे.
ताज बोलते हैं. हाँ ताज. ऊपर रहता है ना? इधर एक टेबल में.
ताज पड़ी.
Okay, thank you.
This